Hey everyone, Sean from Miles to Memories, and welcome to Allegiant Stadium in Las Vegas, Nevada. I want to take you on a quick tour. It's about to open, but first, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell if you want to receive notification of all of our videos. Thanks so much for watching. Thanks so much for supporting the channel. It truly means the world to us. Let's take a look at Allegiant Stadium, just about to open in a month for a Garth Brooks concert, which is scheduled for August 22nd. We really don't know if it's going to happen or not, but as of now, it's still on the books, and I know that they're rushing to get this stadium finished, even though every little touch might not be done. The stadium site itself is controlled. There are sanitizer stations and temperature checks, and only workers obviously are allowed to get in there. But we were able to walk along several sides of the building. Right here is the north side. This area features famously these glass windows which will open at times and give great views of the Strip. There's also this 85-foot tall flame that's in honor of former Raiders owner Al Davis. And let's kind of jump into the model here. This model is actually in the preview center where people were buying season tickets, and you could see both the flame there and just sort of the way that this beautiful stadium looks on the outside. And the stadium was designed by Manica Architecture, originally for the Raiders when they were going to move to Los Angeles, but it was adapted and changed for the Las Vegas site. But it's largely the same as the Los Angeles Stadium, and that was because Mark Davis loved it so much. Let's take a quick walk around and see exactly what this side of the stadium looks like. One of the more interesting things about this stadium is the fact that it will have a full grass field that lives outside. As a dome stadium, the grass isn't going to live inside where it won't get enough sunlight, so it'll live outside and then be rolled in for Raiders games. But what's even more interesting is the UNLV Rebels play on artificial turf, so the base level of the stadium will have the artificial turf, and then the grass field for the Raiders will roll in right on top of it. And speaking of inside the stadium, let's take a look at the stadium here. Now this is the frontage, similar to where we're standing, not exactly the same. This is sort of the area that we actually really can't see from our perspective unless we went to a completely different area. You can see it just fits in really, really well. Great views of the Strip from here, and just a really stunning space. Now, Allegiant Airlines actually purchased the naming rights for this stadium for 30 years. They are based in Summerlin, Nevada, a suburb of Las Vegas, so they really are a hometown airline, and they really are stepping up by naming this stunning stadium. One other cool event coming is the 2021 Pro Bowl. Of course, the Raiders games are coming too, but at the end of the season, the 2021 Pro Bowl is going to bring people here, and that'll be the first major NFL event outside of a Raiders game happening there. And speaking of Raiders games, let's look at what the stadium will look like. Notice the open windows and the flame that we saw earlier from the outside in this. And the silver and black, beautiful seats. Here's a look at what some of the seats will look like. Raiders logo, the iconic silver. I know many Raiders fans have to be super excited about this stadium and have to be excited about the name. Al Davis Way is one of the streets that surrounds the stadium, as does Allegiant Stadium Way. So the community really is adopting this stadium and really embracing it. Here's a look as we kind of end this tour of one of the new surface lots that's being paved, and you can see how small it is. There's so little parking here, and that's going to be an issue over time that they're going to have to address. But I imagine you're going to have a very, very good parking pass to get into that parking lot there. Finally, we'll see there's the parking lot, and you can see Mandalay Bay across the street. just an amazing addition to the city of Las Vegas, to our sports, to our culture. And I'm so excited for Allegiant Stadium. So I'm glad I was able to give you this quick tour. It's about a month away from opening, coming very soon. Hopefully you'll get to check out an event there very, very soon. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to smash that like button. Subscribe if you like the channel. We will see you next time. Check out our other Vegas tours, our other videos.